Good morning, children. Last day we have studied about the modern period. You might have understood about modern period. Really, modern period started with many inventions, discoveries, scientific inventions, a lot of things. Industrialization also started during modern period, and we studied that historians they could not reach a conclusion whether modern period started in India with the arrival of British. So today let us learn the remaining part of what we studied yesterday. Today we may study sources in wisdom. What are sources? Sources itself you can understand. We can get something from somewhere. Here in the lower classes you have studied about archaeological sources. What is the meaning of archaeology? Archaeologist who is one who studies the remains of the past. They are archaeologists. Archaeological sources includes historical buildings, coins, inscriptions and remains. These are you already studied. Here we are going to learn literary sources. Let us learn what is the meaning of literary sources. In that, first one is government reports. You know, government reports during the period, different governments were ruled in our country. How was their administration? How was their policy decisions? What kind of decisions they were taken? What were the policy decisions they were taken? So these kinds of things comes under government report. Administration also is there. Government administration. Administration in different levels. Since let us take from Parliament, how Parliament proceedings, what kind of relations they made with other countries, what were the policies they were taken, what were the taxations they implemented. These are the things we can study under administration. The word administration itself is just like a siege. Different lot of departments are there. All those departments reports are with the government. Why they are keeping? We have the report of British administration in the National Archives of India, New Delhi. If you go and search for any files, that is available there. Here, many recording. You know, Supreme Court. In Supreme Court, since from its instance, they have been keeping all the reports. Why Supreme Court should keep all the records? It is for future reference. The present generation should know what happened in the later period. They need a reference. Likewise, records play a very important role. In India, during the period of Mughals, this recording system started. In our school also, many files we have kept. You are studying here. Your roll number, when did you study, what were your result. These are available always in our school. So Mughals started the recording system. When? After the Mughals, when British came, they modified this system. This modification they brought means that they brought some updation. Moreover, many survey reports were conducted. Population survey, revenue survey. So population surveys. Why should we conduct population surveys? To find out. It is an official enumeration, counting of how many people are there. This during British period, they conducted here. They made census. Census means the official enumeration of population. During the period of British, it was happened in 1872. Like revenue surveys, how much income they collected. Land surveys, like many surveys were they conducted. Moreover, map making. This also helped a lot. So this one more letter here. Another source is travelers' accounts. What's the meaning of travelers' accounts? The early period, many foreigners visited our country. They visited historical places. After visiting, they note down whatever the things they came to see here. Diary entries, newspapers like Kesari, which was published in Maharashtra, also played a very important role. These were called indigenous records, accounts of foreign travelers. Many Chinese travelers came to our country, like Fahian, Ibn Battuta, like many foreigners visited. So, I think these sources, their accounts will definitely help us for getting knowledge about the past. Today, we were studying about literary sources. I think you have understood that. You please go through the books, and if you get any doubts, you can bring up me, and I am always with you for clearing your doubts. Thank you.